Hi, good evening. My name is Laine McCrea. I'm from the Bonnechere Bakery and Bistro in the town of Renfrew, Ontario, in the Ottawa Valley. I just currently attended the Barista training at the Canadian Barista Institute. I came here because I wanted to be able to have the skills to be able to train my staff in the proper way of being a barista. These skills are not only going to help us in presentation, but it's also going to help in efficiency and to give a better product to our customer. My expectations coming in, I came from a very technical background. I didn't know if it was going to be too technical or if it wasn't going to be technical enough, but I have to say these two, Gio and Jamie, hit it spot on. Do not need any experience whatsoever. They will take you from 0 to 100 in 2 days, and you will leave being able to create all kinds of wonderful latte art, great tasting coffee, etc. Thank you very much, Gio and Jamie, for your time. Appreciate it.